Okay, so I'm putting this gimbal. This is a Hohem iSteady M6 gimbal. I'm putting it on POV. First go through PTF, then L, then POV. Point of view follow. It's going to be nicer if I want to look at something or show you. I hope it's focusing automatically. I'm still not 100% au fait with this iPhone 15 Pro Max. But at any rate, and the Hohem Joy app, which goes with this gimbal. And let's see if we can get a picture of this Protea. It's closed, but it should be opening sometime soon, or maybe when the sun comes out. There's another one over there. Not sure if you can see it. Yeah, over there. And here's one that already did its thing. It looks a bit burnt, but a lot of the undergrowth here and the various trees, and you can see all this dead wood. Even up there on the mountainside, there's a lot of dead wood, dead trees basically, from being burned 2 seasons ago. It's now winter in South Africa. 2 seasons ago, there was a fire that raged through here, burned everything, on the Sugarbird Trail here. It's a nice gentle downhill. Mongoose Trail is over there. It goes up, and I'll show it to you now. I just want to get a picture of this. See, Mongoose Trail, and it's quite a steep walk, but it's lovely. And then you go across, around, I don't know if you can see it properly, around and then down again. So this point of view, I'm not quite used to it, sorry, so just bear with me. And sometimes I'm a bit rough on the gimbal. Again, not too much experience, but we'll get there. Here's a bit more of the burnt Protea bushes that happened, as I said, 2 seasons ago. And so now we just carry on walking, and I'll try and keep this gimbal as steady as possible. There's so much fine bush here. Fynbos it's called in Afrikaans. Well, it's also used in English, the word fynbos, indigenous to this part of South Africa. And now we're coming up to what was a rivulet coming down from the mountain. You can see they've been doing a bit of bulldozing here. They put some, because I think there was a lot of wash away here, they put some pipes, they excavated, put pipes in and then covered them up. And now you don't have to walk through the water anymore as such, except this bit here. There's another piece there, another tributary. What do we see? Okay.